Good morning, everyone. The topic we are starting today is accuracy and precision. Actually, both the terms are important, okay, for exam point of view. Now, in case of accuracy, okay, generally this term is very common because we'll use several times. Okay, this one is accurate, your answer is accurate, means your answer is perfect, whatever is required. Now, in terms of definition, okay, generally accuracy expresses the correctness of measurement. This one is normal thing that we know. Now, in case of accuracy, how to define it? Now, the accuracy of a measurement indicates the extent to which an experimentally measured value is close to the true value. Okay, means whatever is your experimental value, how close it is with the true value, that one is basically accuracy. For example, you can take very general example. Okay, now suppose that one is okay, now suppose in case of जैसे निशानेबाजी होती है, okay, archery के games हैं, we have different type of shooting और okay, now in that one, okay, have you seen this thing? Okay, we have one circle, then another circle, for then another circle, then another circle, like this. Okay, and for each circle, okay, we have different point. Now in this case, okay, suppose, okay, in this case, and for this you will get full marks, that one is 8. okay, if that जो भी आपका क्या है निशानेबाज है, okay, अगर उसका निशाना सीधे यहाँ ठीक लग रहा है, like this one, okay, it means either this side, okay, but इस पूरे गोले के लिए क्या है उसके पास, he or she will get, okay, full marks. Now in this case, जब उसका निशाना यहाँ पे पूरा सही लगेगा, तो it means this one is whatever is the experimental value, this one is a true value where you get full marks. okay, and जितनी भी उसके निशाने हैं वो भी यहाँ पे सही लग रहे हैं. okay, तो it means कि ये आपका क्या है, एक्यूरेसी है, एक्यूरेट है. भले ही वो थोड़ा बहुत अगल बगल में है, लेकिन पूरे सर्कल के लिए उसे क्या मिल रहे हैं, फुल मार्क्स. ओके, तो इट मीन्स दिस वन इज एक्यूरेट. okay, now you can take another example also, general one. Now suppose your weight is, or otherwise you can take another weight. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज़ का वेट ले लें. सपोज अ सैम्पल ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. चलो तुम्हारे वेट के बजाय हम ब्लीचिंग पाउडर का वेट कर लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ सपोज अ सैम्पल ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर कंसिस्ट ऑफ, okay, suppose it consists of 30.56%. It's a general percentage, huh? You can take another thing also. okay, 30.56% of available chlorine, and suppose the sample is analyzed by two method. okay, दो मेथड से हमने एनालाइज किया. okay, now in this one let the mean value in the two method be. okay, इसमें दो की वैल्यूज निकाली. सपोज एक A मेथड था, another method is B. now in first method, okay, now the answer is 30.84% after experimental calculation, and in case of B this one is 30.78%. okay, in both the cases, but the true value, whatever is the containing percentage of chlorine in bleaching powder, that one is 30.56%. now in this case, okay, and how to identify accuracy? now just see, 30.56, this one is 30.84, and this one is 78. So which one is more closer to the correct true value? okay, so this one is more close to the true value. it means this one is more close as comparison to A1. okay, so we'll choose second method for calculating this. so this one is basically what? Accuracy, correctness. now second term we'll use, that one is precision. okay, now in case of precision, the term precision referred to closeness of the values of different measurements of a quantity. okay, it's not necessary always कि that one is कि accurate. if there is a accuracy, then only precision is there, because there is a difference. okay, so means precision, the term precision refer to closeness of the values of different measurements of a quantities. means suppose आपने एक जनरल सा वो लेते हैं. चलो अगेन वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. नाउ सपोज इन सेम कंडीशन, in this one, in shooting and all, now this is, again you will get 10 marks, then you will get 9, 8 and so on. now in this case, maybe, okay, now in there is some error in the instrument, कुछ भी एरर हो सकता है थोड़ा बहुत. okay, and just because of that, maybe in this one ओके, जो भी उसके निशाने लगे हैं वो कहाँ लगे, लाइक दिस, 1 2 3 4 5, बट दे ऑल आर क्लोज टू ईच अदर. इट्स नॉट देयर इन एग्जैक्टली 10 पॉइंट्स, बट जहाँ पे भी ये निशाने लगे हैं ये कैसे लगे हैं, एग्जैक्टली नज़दीक हैं, देखो सारे के सारे. इट मीन्स दिस वैल्यू इज प्रिसाइज्ड, बिकॉज प्रिसिशन मीन्स कि क्लोजनेस ऑफ द वैल्यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट मेजरमेंट, कि आपने अलग 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 मेजरमेंट करे बट दे ऑल आर क्लोज टू ईच अदर. इट मीन्स दिस वन इज मोर प्रिसाइज्ड. If I'll explain in terms of another thing to you, or in terms of number, now suppose 3 students A B C, हम इसमें 3 students ले. now suppose 3 students, that one is A B C, okay, were asked to weigh a metal coin. So the previously, now to we have electronic device, okay, but now normally previously we have that one is weighing machine. Now in this case, okay, suppose they have to weigh a metal coin, okay, whose actual mass is, हम कितना ले लें इसका actual mass. Now suppose whose actual mass is 10.1564, okay. Now suppose this one, okay, and now they will weigh all 3 students, that one is A B C, they will weigh the coin 1 time 2 time 3 time like this, okay, and just check their values. Now suppose in case of first one, हम कुछ भी values रख सकते हैं, it's not necessary कि हम इसमें यही वाली values वो रखें, आप कोई सी भी values रख सकते हैं इसमें. Now just see, this one is suppose 4 times we are taking. Now average you have to take, that one is average. Now in this, suppose our first one is 10.1572, now 10.1568, 10.1566, it's a 10.1568, 10.1566, 10.1564, okay. Now 10, it's a 70, 10.12, then 1564. Now suppose this one is 74. Now again, this, all these are different values. 64. Now if we'll calculate their average, so this one is 10.1566 and this one is 10.1564. Now check, okay, in this one just see, okay, now this value, they are not correct, okay. Now in this case it's a 7268 7074, okay. In this case, okay, different values we have, okay. Now in this, data obtained by student A are neither precise not accurate. Neither precise means just see there is difference in their values. Now just see 72, it's a 68, it's a, means they are not very close to each other. But now in this case, in case, because the in this case B are more precise because the measured value are more close to one another. Now just see in this one, it's a 68, it's a 66, it's a 62, it's a 66, means these measured value are more close to each other. It means the measurement of B is more precise as comparison to A and as comparison to C, okay. Acha nahi, sorry, in case of C it's a 66, it's a 64, it's a 64, okay. Now in case of C, this one is also more precise because values are more, okay, just see, more close to each other. So now in first case, so A1 is not precise, not accurate, because this one is very far from this true value, okay. But in this case, because values are close to each other, but it's not exactly, you can say that this one is not exact, so this one is precise but not accurate. But in case of third one, values are close to each other as well as in this one, okay, this one is accurate also. So third one, it's a precise as well as, okay, accurate also. So it means the term precision refers to closeness of the values of different measurements of a quantity. जितनी भी सारी क्वांटिटीज़ हैं, इफ़ दे आर क्लोज टू ईच अदर तो दे आर प्रिसाइज्ड, okay, maybe they are accurate, but it's not necessary कि precise value are always accurate, और इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि दे आर नॉट एक्यूरेट, वो हो भी सकती हैं और नहीं भी. ओके, नाउ this one is regarding to your precision. Now we have a very small topic again, that one is regarding to scientific notation. Okay, in case of scientific notation, this one is required for your numerical portion. Okay, generally scientific notation where we represent or express a number in this form, n into 10 is to power n, where this n is exponent. Okay, either it's a positive or negative value, this one is known as exponent, and this capital N is a term digit. Generally this one is a single non-zero digit. Okay, single non-zero digit, it means between 1 to 10. Okay, that means 1 to 9, between, because it is between 1 to 10, that's a single non-zero digit. Okay, for example, whatever is the term, now suppose this one is given 2 4 5 6 8 0 0, like this, anything. Now you have to convert it into scientific notation. So how to convert it into scientific notation? Okay, so your work is, okay, convert it into this form. How? Like this one digit single. Okay, after that you have to write like this. Okay, instead of this one, so you can convert it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this one is 10 is to power 7. Achha, remember one thing, when we shift decimal from right to left, the values always increases in positive. Okay, and now suppose this one is given to you 178, like this one. Okay, again convert it into scientific notation, means one single term plus 7 8 into 10 is to power. Now in this case 1, okay, we'll shift decimal, 1 2 3 4 and 5, so it means 10 is to power minus 5. So when we move from right to left, okay, power always increases in positive. Okay, and when you move from left to right, okay, power kya kehte hain, you can write in minus, this one will increases in negative. Okay, so this one simple required for your numericals, so where you have to convert it into scientific notation. Okay, thank you.